mad nice. It's a little different than what I would normally do, as you guys, you know. I normally get like 3-piece wheels and stuff like that, but this time around I wanted to try something different, something out of my norm. So I went with Cosmos. I know a lot of you probably like, oh, why didn't you get these or why didn't you get that? At the end of the day, it's my money. I'm gonna spend it on what I want to spend it on. Like I said, this car is for my liking, not for everyone else's liking. I appreciate the ones that support everything that I do, but this is what I wanted to do. This is what I'm running with for now. I'm gonna save the extra money that I made and put it into the S2000 to get the S2K running 100%. Okay, your boy's officially home. The new wheels and tires are now mounted. I ran a 255/35 18 front, 265/35 rear. That's what I had on my VS's, and I really like how those wheels fit. So I'm super excited about these. These are all performance and all season tires. Just said fucking try to, you know, save as much money as I can, because my next thing on the chopping board for this car is getting a header. Either gonna run Skunk 2 or Jay's Racing. Jay's Racing is really expensive, but I hear a lot of good reviews about it. And Skunk 2 because just for the simple fact that that's what I have now. But I'm thinking about getting rid of this exhaust system anyway. So it's a lot that I have to keep in mind, because I want to do a single exit exhaust. So now that you guys see that the seats are now installed and everything's good, now let's get the wheels on so you guys can see the fitment. I already test fitted them the day I got them, but for now we're gonna put them on, see how it runs. These are 1-piece wheels. They're not 3-piece, for the simple fact that like 3-piece wheels are really heavy, and I just kind of wanted to do something different, something that I haven't done before. I know Cosmos is not like the higher scale brands like Volk Racing and Works and stuff like that I'm normally using and running, but you know, sometimes it's cool to like try something different. Like these wheels right here cost me $1,300, so that's still pretty expensive, but they're good wheels. They're actually high quality wheels, and a lot of people run them, and they're meant to like take a beating from what I've heard and from the reviews, because on the actual barrel itself it has like ridges on it, and those ridges are meant to take a beating. Obviously if you're running like stretched tires or etc, you want to be a little bit more mindful of your wheels, but these will be good. I'm also thinking maybe I should have did a 265/40 in the rear, but we'll see. I can always just get new rear tires, because the front is gonna fit good because that's what I normally run, but the rear I might want it to be a little bit more wider. So yeah. That looks so mint, bro. Side 1, bing. The S2000 ran out of gas, so it wouldn't start. So I'm at the gas station right now trying to get gas for the car. I have to buy a gas tank, even though I kind of needed one anyway, but whatever. The wheels are still growing on me, but I don't know. What do you guys think? How do you feel about them? They're all right. They look pretty good. I think I want to go with a higher profile tire though, but it doesn't look terrible. You guys let me know what you think. I'm getting some photos of it right now. I'm at the side of Jermaine's shop real quick. Alright guys, so I want you guys to let me know what you think about the wheels and if you like them. I think they're pretty cool. They look a lot better in person. So I guess I'm gonna run it for a little while, but originally what I was gonna get was, it was gonna be a gunmetal face with a polished or a brushed lip in that style in the Cosmos, but everywhere that I looked it was all sold out, and I was like, I've always wanted hyper bronze wheels, because that's what they are. They're not gold, they're hyper bronze. So in person it looks a lot more copperish and way more shinier. It does, like I said, it does look better in person, but I don't know, it's growing on me. It's something that I have never done before, and you know, I just kind of want to try something new, do something different. And yeah, I was actually looking at TE37s, but everyone that had them, in a lot of places that did have them, they didn't have the specs that I wanted. The one thing about when you go wide body on the S2K, depending on what flare kit you go with, it's really hard to find wheels that fit the right way. Like, I'm gonna let you guys know off bat, anything under 17 by 11 is not gonna look right in the rear of an S2K that has the Circuit Garage flare kit. Anything under, I'll say, like right now in the fronts I have an 18 by 9.5, and it still has like a gap. So anything like, I'll say like 10.5 will probably be the best fitment for the front if you go wide body, and anything like 11.5 in the rear will fit if you go wide body. So what I'm planning on doing is either one, upping the tire specs on the rear, maybe to like a 275/40 or 275/35, and see how that looks. Because when I had the work Emotion CR Kais, they were 18 by 9.5 and 18 by 10.5, and it had a 295/35 rear tire, and it still was sunken. So I don't know, I'm probably gonna up the spec on it and just see how it looks, and then go from there. But from what it looks like now, I kind of like it. Like I said, it's growing on me, and we'll see. I might end up powder coating them down the line or something, maybe do all black or something like that, or maybe sell it, I don't know yet. But the next video that you guys are gonna see after this one, I think you guys are really gonna enjoy, like really enjoy. It was an impulse buy. It was something that like I didn't even think was gonna fall in my lap like that, and I got it. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that, and I also want to say thank you guys for 30.1K subscribers. We are moving. All right, 50K is up next. After that, 100K. Thank you guys for watching me. Thank you for supporting the channel. I'm out. Catch you in the next one. Peace.